addition.
I am very glad that we got our stock for winters. Now we will count and distribute these among all. All those who are good in doing additions, please come forward.
Hey, do you know about addition? Let's learn. Addition, each number that is to be added is called addend, and the total is called 46. We are at 7,200. Subtraction. Subtraction.